Raenggan ka kanaling takine. Care go President Sansan Mr. Chosongo.
자, 쭉, 자, 샤워지. 겁네. 자, 하이. Let me hear. Here, say hi. Hi. Anak, Pak. Foto tuh. Hai. Mak. Mak.
A few moments later.
Inauguration. Chiuluan Raenggan. Raenggan dito. Entry. Yes, this is the inaugurator. Wow, it's beautiful and refreshing. Sit.
Oh, nice.
Okay, this is going to be a good vlog. Yo, ngawizue. Oh, it's refreshing, guys, and I'm last again. These are the guys that's starting job, and Mr. President and Mr. President and the Mrs.
Alam mo ito, Chu. Thank you. This is also our professor. We can see tamenglong from here. Yo, the whole view looks very good. Let's click after you clap. 네. 너좀 안 돼. 아가 뭐가 하는 이주인데. 방수죠. What is tamenglong without orange? Hi, how are you? How is your experience?
How was the experience walking the bridge? So,
Đâu thì ra xí ra. Cả cái cháu họ đi nói đâu.
so, 누구 experience sir?
Sarago ibam bam tu witu bam bam me. Aku lupa.
Yeah.
Ya. Sing bang ri kata bam tu me.
So, the first time I read it.
First time. Chiuluan Raenggan. Dah.
Okay, okay.
Chiuluan Raenggan gak di bam day. 20 minutes drive from tamenglong headquarter. Tiu on the visit you had this suye. Khai wi bam me.
Yeah, it's this one. This is the one.
Preserve the tiu mui bam me. Since 650 AD, you established you was it. Mui kam me. Appreciate.
Sir, how do you feel staying here?
Oh, it's lovely.
I Raenggan Sima. Raenggan Sima. This is a beautiful step. We're going back after getting fresh air. Thank the Lord for giving this precious time in Australia, unplanned trip and a good one. This venue for
This is dustbin.
It's our amazing graphite for today. If I get paid, I'll first recharge you around Kadi my day. Now, that's a kind of how do you not talent the June law?
First time.
First time, ma. And when lucky to be there, we step to another. But anyhow, you went till the top. It's good. Start away. If I always walk here, I'll become thin man.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Oh. So this is the end for. This is the final Chiuluan village established.
Village established in 1650.
And here, yes, this is the entry. The end for this area. And this is the list of the list. The last. Good walk. Heartbeat is racing. Good for health. Kuena. Oh, let's go. We are already so dusty. No time. We do not say thank you to our friend also, but then we'll meet again later anyway. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. Tamenglong.